Добрый день. Читает Фёдорова Александра Евгеньевна. Николай Васильевич Гоголь. Повесть «Шинель». Разговор Акакия Акакевича со значительным человеком. Разговор, который перевернул жизнь главного героя и определил его дальнейшую судьбу. What, my dear sir, he continued curtly, do you not know the order? What are you doing here? Do you not know how cases are conducted? You ought to have filed a petition about it in the Chancellery. It would pass it to the chief clerk, to the section chief, then be conveyed to my secretary, and my secretary would deliver it to me. But, Your Excellency, said Akaki Akakevich, trying to collect the handful of presence of mind he had, and feeling at the same time that he was sweating terribly. I made so bold as to trouble you, Your Excellency, because secretaries are sort of unreliable folk. What? Said the important person. Where did you pick up such spirit? Where did you pick up such ideas? What is this rebelliousness spreading among the young against their chiefs and higher-ups? The important persons seemed not to notice that Akaki Akakevich was already pushing 50, and so, even if he might be called a young man, it was only relatively, that is, in relation to someone who was 70 years old. Do you know whom you are saying this? Do you realize who is standing before you? Do you realize that? Do you realize, I ask you? Here he stamped his foot, raising his voice to such a forceful note that even someone other than Akaki Akakevich would have been frightened by it. Akaki Akakevich was simply stricken. His weight shook all over and was quite unable to stand. If the cadets had not come running at once to support him, he would have dropped to the floor. He was carried out almost motionless.